Ultra Journey, Episode 2, The Ultra Dimension. So, how exactly do we get to the Ultra Dimension? I don't actually know.
No way.
How?
Follow me.
Ultra Energy.
Got you.
Come here. Get off of me! Ow!
Finally, the shopkeeper. Anyone home?
Me.
Wait, Master Tyson, take anything you want for free.
I'll get Jade. Good choice. Thank you.
Next time, don't do that. Sorry.
How could I be defeated by you guys? Seriously.
Catch me if you can. Get over here.
Falcon Beam!
Be gone. Nice work out there, y'all. Let's go grab a snack. Or isn't any bad guys.